Zhengzhou Huaer Electro-Optics Technology Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of teeth whitening gels, kits, pens, strips, teeth whitening powders, teeth whitening lights, dental impression putty, portable dental units, dental handpieces, etc., and oral care products. After 13 years' efforts and development, now we have become one of the leading oral care products manufacturers and suppliers in China. Our factory is more than 3,600 square meters with 200 employees, 100,000 grade laboratory, and 600,000 grade GMP dust-free clean workshop. And we implement ISO 13485 strictly. All of our products are in accordance with medical CE and could be tracked back. In addition, we also have obtained CE, FDA, and ISO 13485 certifications. Our products have been exported to more than 80 countries and regions all over the world, such as the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, Korea, and Japan. Besides, we are professional in OEM orders via customers' requirements. Our professional team's work and production line make nice quality at short time. For over 13 years, Huaer takes the principle of fidelity management and technology innovation. We are committed to offering customer quality products and professional services. We will be your honest and trustworthy supplier in China